everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the other part of Resemble, which has the different rhythm. The first beat is 7 slaps, bass tone, 7 slap, bass tone. But we're going to play it half-half. The first half is 7 slaps, bass tone, like this. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half is 7 slaps, bass tone. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats, playing twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the first class of the other part of Resemble. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.